Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make Miss Berry smoothie. I have strawberry, blueberry, black grapes, a little bit of condensed milk, fresh milk and ice. So now let's go. Guys, we have added everything. Now we add a little bit of fresh milk. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of condensed milk. Now we are adding in our ice. Smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao.